It's late and here I am staring at my empty wallet thinking how did it get this low? I hold it closer just to check again hoping I missed something but no it's empty. I do my job every day wearing my little work badge showing up doing my best. I walk forward briefcase in hand thinking I should be fine right. And then the paycheck comes just like it always does. But somehow it slips through my fingers faster than I expected. I watch it go shoulders slumped feeling small. People always have advice everyone pointing telling me what I should do. I look ahead at the idea of earning more a promotion a bigger paycheck hoping it will fix everything. So I run toward it chasing that arrow thinking this will finally change things. I sit at my desk late into the night watching the clock spin and still I feel exhausted. Side hustles, projects, extra work, I juggle them all trying not to fall behind. Sometimes I hold a larger stack of money feeling hopeful briefly before reality hits. Because the bills they grow faster than my paycheck crowding me in. I feel small among all these numbers like I can't keep up. I'm walking on a treadmill paycheck to paycheck moving but going nowhere. It keeps looping endlessly and I can't step off, or can I? I slow down thinking maybe this isn't working. Then I step off the treadmill onto solid ground and I finally breathe. I stand still calm grounded and realize it's not about how much I earn, it's about what I do with it.